I just found this tip of all these YouTube gurus are using to get views on your video. It's just secret words. You need to add some way the settings of your video, as in before you post your video. Secret words you need to add on the process that will help viewers, that will put new and old people, audience, see your video. Those secret words are going to enable people that are searching for what you are posting to see your video from every corner. They have been hiding this for you. They have been hiding this from you. And that's the secret. Let me show you. This secret words will make your video be visible. It will make people locate your video from anywhere they are searching in YouTube. People that comes to YouTube to search, maybe you are searching for affiliate marketing. Whenever you post your video on anything affiliating, those people, YouTube himself, stop thinking that YouTube does not want to post your video. It is a lie. Do you know that YouTube wants to make money more than you want the money? Do you know that the video you are posting is a business for YouTube? YouTube wants to use that video to be making more money. That's why YouTube gets angry. YouTube is more angry when people are not watching your videos, or people click on your videos and get away. YouTube is angry. It makes YouTube angry. That's why they will stop, posting that video, because they feel that either you are not saying what people want to hear, you are not delivering value. That's why it seems your videos are not getting views. But sometimes you might be delivering value, but due to you don't know some things, you don't know some small settings you need to do on YouTube, it might be hindering your videos. You might be having good packages, values, and all that in your video, but if you do not say, look at me, see where I am, if you do not shout, say me, nobody will notice you. So you're shouting, you're grabbing attention, making people know you know where you are. Is this secret words that you need to add to your videos so that your audience will locate you wherever they are, and you will start getting massive views on your video. Watch this video till the end and get this correct. We are using AI, but thank God it is a free AI. You're not paying any dime. It is free. Join me, let me show you. Just come to your Google and click on your Google and type in rapid tax. Once you click on it and type rapid tax, it's going to come out. Alright? Once it appears like this, what do you do next? You sign in, alright? And then click on it, and that video you are making, the topic of your video, copy the topic of your video and paste it here on this box. Once you paste it, click on search. Look down here, you will see plenty of them. What is this called? Your video tag. Your video hashtag is different from your video's tags. Okay? Just click on it and then copy the whole tags. Don't copy some and leave some. Copy all of them. Once you click here and you copy, just click click here and copy all the tags. And what do? you go and paste it below your YouTube, your videos. Guys, hey, they have been hiding this thing. Thank God I saw it. Just your next upload, your next video you are uploading on YouTube, make sure you do this. Come back to this video and give me a review. Tell me, how did this work for you? If this is your first time of watching my video, guys, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be helping you, give you amazing videos, amazing content that will help you grow here on YouTube. All right? Subscribe, like this video, leave a comment on the comment section. What do you think about tags? Have you used tags on your video before? Did it make any difference? All right? Remember, once you comment, I will click on your comment and go to your channel and subscribe. So don't forget to comment. Always leave a comment so that I can subscribe to your channel. See you in my next video, guys. Keep creating. Keep creating. Don't give up. Keep creating videos and don't give up. Create and post them. See you on the top. Bye.